Number 1, lot F71, is a 1985 Buick Riviera with a 307 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission, and it sold for $10,450 on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 21,657 miles, and the highlights are highly original condition, 307 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, power moonroof, cloth interior, tilt telescopic steering column, cruise control, power windows and door locks, dual 6-way power seats, power passenger recliner, padded Landau top, wire wheel covers, and white wall tires. And this one still had the original window sticker, and for $10,450, you got a nice car, a nice 80s car to drive around to the cruise or wherever you want to drive it to. It'll probably be the only one there with one of these, especially with only 21,000 miles on it. I think this was a great deal. Probably one of the top deals of the sale. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.